Alright man, so here's the car I just pulled out of the garage. So we'll go for a spin real quick and I'll just kind of show you how to drive it. So hopefully you can see the gauges. So this is first gear here. Now if you hear like that little noise, that little click 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 noise, don't be alarmed. That's just the because of how low it is, it just sometimes the fender will touch the fender. The wheel will touch the fender liner. This is what happens. So this is first gear right here. So, but first gear is really useless. You want to shift into second, like below 20 miles an hour. And then once you get into second, you're fine. You can shift at higher RPMs, but you really do not want to shift into second gear at like 6,000 RPM. It's the car just does not like it. I would just only shift into first gear below. I would not shift into first gear while the car is moving. I would only shift into first gear when it stopped, and I wouldn't even use first gear if at all possible because it's just so short. I'll roll the window up here. Alright, and then I'll show you what a second gear start looks like, because you can start the car in second gear no problem. It's really, really easy. Car does get a lot of attention. So, as you can see, this is first. So second gear here. So second gear start, hopefully we get the arrow. I can show you what a second gear start looks like here. Nope, we didn't get the arrow first, so we'll just wait a little minute. And then the air, that's 1, and then 2, and then 3 is like full blast. And so from here, let's see if we get a green arrow here. Okay, so here. Alright, so this is a second gear start. You just go about 2,000 RPM until you start getting in a roll, and then you're fine. So now clutch is all the way out, second gear, and then third, then fourth, and then back down to third, back into second, and then coming to a stop. So second gear start's really, really easy. That's a second gear start right there. Second gear. Third gear. There's second gear. Third gear again. Just shifting it through the gears for you so you see where we're at. Alright. And then we'll go back to my house and wait for the transport guys to show up. So yeah, I mean, if you're at a stop and you want to go into first like this, then you can start it in first and just creep along. But as soon as you're moving, just shift it into second, like, you know, at 10 miles an hour, because first gear is so short. Then third gear. Back down, and that's it. Feels good. I haven't driven the car in a little while, so it's nice to get it out and let it breathe a little bit. There's second, house right here. There we go. All right, man. That's about all I have there.